Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2006 Suzuki S83 Boulevard. This is a 1400cc V-twin oil-cooled cruiser with lots of beautiful chrome, spoke wheels, and a drag bar. Comes equipped with a full-size touring windscreen that comes off real easily if you want. Very comfortable step seat, a rear luggage rack. The shaft drive heavyweight cruiser is priced to sell at just $31.99. Come by, check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.